Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you have to open keypad on your device and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI information and also your serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, then you go to the system section, then about phone, status, and here you can see your IMEI numbers, and also you can find your serial number in the model. No, not here. Not build number. Maybe in other specs. Not here too. Okay, you can find it in the same status section. Here you have IMEI, IMEI 2, and also slightly under them you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.